Hi guys, this is your host Muskan from Mirza Properties. For people who are looking for properties in Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, here I am with a very new project named Anandham. It's one of the best, luxurious and budget-friendly project in Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. In this video, I'll be talking about the project connectivity, details, pricing and possession. So let's start the video. Our project is located in Kharghar. Kharghar is the heart of Navi Mumbai. Here you would get Kharghar railway station, metro station, Mumbai Panvel highway as well. Our project is just 5 minutes drive away from the metro station and 8 to 10 minutes walking distance. Project entrance. Now I will show you sample flats. In this flat, you will get digital RFID lock system, dishwasher and stainless steel sink. Video door phone, air purifiers, Alexa auto home control system, I hope you like this project. So the total land parcel is 5 acres. 3 acres is the construction area and 2 acres is open land wherein you will get amenities such as swimming pool, gymnasium, children's play area, mini theatre and 18 other amenities as well. This project includes 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK option is also available. Pricing starts from 51 lakhs to 1.50 CR. For more price details, please contact us. Our contact number is available in the description box below. The project possession starts from Diwali 2021. For more such videos, keep following us. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you again.